On my first call, it's a no heat gas furnace. We're gonna go up here and check this out.
Edward, the humidifier is working, right? The humidifier on the system is working. Okay.
So what we had to do, we get in here, and we found that this control board was not sending the signal for the HSI to energize. So we got a new replacement board here. Put in there, as you can see, this one has a few other extra adapters where you how you get into the board. But once you get all of that straight, 1 second, and there we are. I've replaced the board, got the system firing back again. Sequence operation, I'm satisfied with everything we're doing here.